If your truck's running hot and towing heavy in the desert like we are, you don't want to cool it off with more heat. Hey everybody, this is James, KC Turbos. Quickly, we're going over the 17 to 19 driven diesel transmission cooler fix is what I'm going to call it. This is for the 2017 to 2019 trucks that OEM run very hot, especially if you're towing or in the desert climates. This is designed basically to revert back to the old style like 6.0, 7.3s in the earlier years where they're a separate system. So this includes basically a quick heat exchanger, some hoses, quick connect fittings to basically separate these two so that when your truck is 220 degrees, 200 degrees, that your coolant is not cooking your transmission temperature. This separates them. So this reverts it back to air to water. So it cools itself off. If your truck's running hot and towing heavy in the desert like we are, you don't want to cool it off with more heat. We need to separate them. So that's basically what this kit's supposed to do, and we're going to find out. Like and subscribe below, shoot us an email, call us for any questions. Big shout out to Driven Diesel again for supplying this kit and letting us know that this is a common issue for 17 to 19 trucks. Dealers, if you see this and you think you have a new product, old product, or just want some promotional help or a featured item through us, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to do the same thing and get you on the spotlight. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.